Right, the countdown to the 100k mark in 300 meters, which is the halfway point. 200 meters is the halfway point to Maun. You might see the road is a bit wet, so there's been some rain here. Thank the Lord, it's just now. You have to see what's happening up ahead. And that was the 100k mark we've just been through. So a little bit of Africa landscape, just having had some rain, and I can feel rain coming down now. Put my visor down, drop my speed a little bit. It's a lot wetter here. The road certainly a lot wetter, or more recent rain. Maybe I'm just coming into the back of it.